Peace, love, light, and healing. Today we're going to cook some fry and cook down kingfish steaks with some gungo rice and peas, real Jamaican style. So stay tuned and watch you coming in your dining room. Enough love. Okay, these are our dry seasoning. We have our salt, our cilantro, and some garlic, and that's the cooking oil. And these are the wet seasoning: some garlic, some tomatoes, some bell pepper, and some scotch bonnet pepper, along with some 4-cup rice and some water, and of course 2 cups of pigeon peas, aka gungo. So these are the green gungo. Alright, so gungo rice and peas, that is it. Our kingfish steaks. Adding some thyme to that, some pepper, few pimentos, and let that cook before I add the rice. Adding some pimento, allspice, Alright, so give that about 15 minutes cook down on medium, and this rice is finished cooking, right? And this is it, guys. Peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you guys for watching, and continue to support, continue to tune in. Please like, please share, and please subscribe.